Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are comparing two of the most luxurious cars on the planet, the Rolls-Royce Phantom and the Mercedes-Maybach S-Class. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly which one is actually worth your money. Let's be honest, both of these cars are insane, but they are built for completely different types of people. One is about pure status and legacy, and other is about modern luxury and technology. So the real question is, do you want to be driven like royalty? Or do you want experience luxury? Is the smartest way possible? Starting with design, the Rolls-Royce Phantom doesn't just look expensive, it looks untouchable. That massive grille, the iconic spirit of ecstasy, this car doesn't ask for attention, it demands it. On the other hand, the Mercedes-Maybach S-Class is more subtle, it's elegant, sleek and modern. If the Phantom is a king walking into a room, the Maybach is billionaire who doesn't need to prove anything. Now step inside. And this is where things get really interesting. The Phantom's interior feels like a private jet mixed with a five-star hotel. Everything is handcrafted, literally everything. You even get a starlight headliner, tiny lights in the roof that look like a night sky. But then you sit in the Maybach and suddenly you are surrounded by screens, ambient lighting, massage seats, and next level tech. Rear passengers get a full executive experience, reclining seats, entertainment system, even better control over everything. So here's the difference. Phantom timeless luxury, Maybach smart luxury. When it comes to ride quality, the Phantom is on another level. It literally feels like the car is floating. Rolls-Royce calls it a magic carpet ride, and honestly, that's not an exaggeration. But the Maybach is not far behind. It uses advanced suspension systems that read the road ahead and adjust instantly. In simple terms, Phantom is softer, Maybach is smarter. Now let's talk power. The Phantom comes with a massive V12 engine, smooth, silent, but insanely powerful. The Maybach also offers strong performance, especially in the S680 model, but it's more about balance than raw presence. Here's the truth, nobody buys these cars. The Maybach would be easier and more enjoyable. This is where the Maybach clearly wins. Massive screens, AI features, driver assistance, voice controls. It's basically the future. The Phantom, on the other hand, keeps things minimal because Rolls-Royce believes too much tech runs the experience. So again, Maybach future, Phantom tradition. Now let's talk money. The Rolls-Royce Phantom can easily go over $500,000 depending on customization. The Maybach S-Class around $200,000 to $250,000. That's a hug difference. So the real question is the Phantom really worth double the price? Here's the honest answer. If you want the absolute best of the best, something that screams status, powerful and legacy, then nothing beats the Phantom. But if you want 90% of the luxury with better tech, more practicality and a much lower price, then the Maybach is smarter choice. At the end of the day, the Phantom is not just a car, it's a statement. The Maybach, it's a decision. So which one would you choose? Ultimate status or smart luxury? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more luxury car comparisons. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.